Welcome back to the thrilling world of wealth wonders with your host, the navigator of prosperity's vast seas. Here, we're not just about stacking coins, we dive deep into the art of expanding them, ingeniously and efficiently. Ever gaze at your financial goals and think, these aren't just dreams, they're treasure maps waiting to be followed? You're in the perfect spot because today we embark on a captivating voyage through the 7 habits to get rich. Yes, you've got it, weaving threads of gold through the fabric of everyday life. Now, before we set sail, let me share the essence of our journey's fuel. And that's not just the drive to succeed, it's you! Your zest for growth, your passion for wealth, and indeed, those engaging interactions that steer our course. So, if our expedition excites you, show some love. Engage that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell to never miss a beat on this journey to riches. Ready to chart the course? Today is all about awakening your curiosity, stirring your ambition, and making you ponder, how can I join this adventure? We're not merely highlighting pathways to wealth. We're illuminating them, making them beacons guiding you to financial freedom. Cast aside any preconceived notions about wealth building. This journey is beyond saving pennies and frugal living. We're navigating through vast, uncharted waters, unveiling bold, innovative strategies that promise not just a trickle, but a flood of wealth to fuel your future. Our first port of call? The mindset metropolis. Not every thought harbors the potential for riches. It requires the right mindset, a blend of optimism, resilience, and strategic thinking. Picture this as laying down the foundations of your empire, but with a mindset makeover. Next, we venture into the investment islands. The initial outlay might seem daunting, a vast ocean to cross. But fear not! With a map of smart investment strategies and the compass of compounding interest, the treasure chest of long-term gains is within reach. Efficiency is more than a mere navigational tool, it's your first mate on this voyage. The realm of personal development and skill enhancement means selecting the right tools and knowledge. More skills equate to more avenues for income, a principle every aspiring mogul loves. Have you considered the dual islands of passion and profession? Here lies the secret garden of side hustles. Merging your career with personal passions not only diversifies your income streams, but makes the journey enjoyable. It's the ultimate blend of pleasure and profit. Charting your progress is crucial. Navigating through the sea of success isn't a solo endeavor. Building a network of mentors and like-minded adventurers can steer you away from stormy seas towards prosperous shores. It's not just who you are, but whom you sail with. Remember, accumulating wealth is a journey, not just a destination. Adjusting your sails to the winds of change, seizing opportunities, and learning from the tides of trials and triumphs are key. Persistence and adaptability are your guiding stars. As we dock at the conclusion of today's exploration, remember, embarking on the path to riches is more than a quest for financial gain. It's an expedition towards personal mastery and societal contribution. And that, my fellow explorers, is the voyage Wealth Wonders pledges to navigate with you. Are you prepared to set sail towards the horizons of wealth and beyond? Keep aboard with us as we delve deeper into these habits in our future discussions. Let's illuminate the path of finance together, transforming aspirations into achievements. What an expedition we've had! If today's journey has sparked a beacon of inspiration within you, leave a like, share this with fellow adventurers, and become a part of the Wealth Wonders family by subscribing. Await more captivating content that's just on the horizon, and trust me, you don't want to miss a moment. Till our paths cross again, keep navigating through the waves of opportunity and climbing the peaks of prosperity. This is Wealth Wonders signing off. Stay motivated, stay enlightened, and let's make wealth building an adventure for both our world and our wallets. Catch you on the next wave.